4 years ago, VSO in partnership with UK Aid started on a journey of working with people with disability in 4 states of India. We have worked to enable them to access their rights and entitlements and to help them live a life of dignity and respect. This is our story. This is a journey that 7 INGOs have undertaken to address issues of social exclusion in India. People with disabilities comprise nearly 6% of the country's population. This is a sizable number, and yet there is enough evidence that says that they lack access to basic services such as healthcare, education and livelihoods. VSO, as part of its IPAP initiatives, has strived to address all these issues in its entirety. Collectivization of voices is an important process in any journey of transformation, and recognizing this, VSO, as part of its IPAP initiatives, has supported 4 state-based networks of people with disabilities and 3 women-centric networks in the states of Orissa, Jharkhand, West Bengal and Chhattisgarh.
इस सब जुट के हमको अच्छा लगा है। इतना फ़ायदा 1 किलो पेपर में 20 रुपया होता है, तो 8 रुपया तो पेपर का दाम और 2 रुपया का लाई, तो 10 रुपया फ़ायदा होता है 1 किलो पेपर में। एक दुकान में 5 रुपये, एक दुकान में तो 4 रुपया। पहले नहीं पैसा 1 पैसा कमाई नहीं होता रहा, इसमें फ़ायदा हो रहा है, तो 300 रुपया हफ्ता में आवत है।
Not only have we focused on the capacity building of the networks, but we've also linked them with banks and financial institutions to ensure their independence and sustainability.
12 आदमी हम लोग हैं सर। 12 आदमी में डीपीओ बनाए हैं और ग्रुप बनाए हैं, और ग्रुप के अंदर हम लोग पैसा भी जमा करते हैं, और ये पैसा बैंक में भी जमा है। अभी हम लोग पास खाता भी हम लोग का खुला हुआ है, उस पैसे से आगे भी हम लोग बढ़ते हैं।
Volunteering is at the core of VSO's approach to development, and in the last 4 years, we have placed over 40 trained volunteers from across the world with partners. They help the partner in build sustainable and lasting capacities within their setups.
My role is to support the staff to improve their understanding of the assessment and management of children with movement problems. They have an understanding of the techniques, but it's important to have an understanding of the difficulties that the children have and how they present functionally, so that they can actually support them to be sort of bigger part of their family and in the community.
Disability leads to poverty and poverty leads to disability, and there is more than enough evidence to prove that approximately 70% of people with disability are poor and hence marginalized. VSO has promoted entrepreneurship and ensured sustainable incomes for people with disabilities.
सर मो नाटा हूँ श्रीधर महापात्र। मु नृसिंहदेव आंचलिक परिषद किसी गछ पाई गछ पाइबा हेतु बारीटा को सफा करी गछटा उन्नति करी से किसी जन्नी भेंडी टमाटो एमती किसी लगे आज्ञा लगे किसी बिक्री कर 2 पैसा रोजगार पाई पाइबा से किसी उन्नति करी आज्ञा।
Contribution of IPAP program of VSO to the helpline has been in terms of publicity, which has been done through flyers and posters which were created, and the second thing, the second support which has been provided to us, it's the technology, advanced technology systems and technology which will support the helpline in a better way. Third part is the creation of the networks, so 2 networks, Delhi based helplines network and National Disability Helplines Network. And we have the fourth is the capacity building, where we have created a training module for the helplines, and the fifth is the information dissemination.
VSO has worked extensively in promoting barrier-free access at all levels. We believe that access is a right, and when denied, it affects the dignity of a person. VSO has also supported disabled people with accessible household toilets.
1 किलोमीटर दूरी में मुझे शौचालय जाना पड़ता था, चाहे पानी रहे चाहे तूफान रहे, लेकिन शौचालय लगने पर तो जाना ही पड़ता था। और अभी रूम के अंदर ही शौचालय बना है तो अभी मुझे कुछ दिक्कत नहीं होती है, क्योंकि खुद ही चल लेती हूँ।
Our collaboration with VSO has been for a long time now, almost 10 years, and we have been partnering on issues related to research, trainings, and creating access coordination cells in the states of India.
One of the biggest happenings in the internationally in the last few years has been the enactment of the UN Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities. And one of the biggest things that the VSO IPAP program has been able to do for us at Arth Astha and supported us to do was to look at some of the articles of the convention and to understand what is happening in our country in that area, and to be able to come up with toolkits that disability activists all over the country will be able to use and then be able to advocate for change.
From advocacy to networking to livelihoods to capacity building, we have indeed covered a lot of ground, but certainly not enough. We stand committed to build a society where there is inclusion and equality for all.